I found it. Turns out there is a live ignition wire in the steering column. Check it out. Alright. See all these wires right here? Alright, see back here? See back here? Alright, where I'm pointing out with the black probe, the negative probe. Check it out. There's a spot back here where two red wires hook into. Two go into the same spot. See these two red wires right here? Those bad boys are what we're looking for. Off when no key's in the ignition. On when the key is turned to the ACC position, or the on position. And then still on when the key's turned back. But then the instant you take it out the ignition, off, baby. So give me 1 second, alright? I'm going to show you right quick. Basically what I did, see the yellow wire that goes above the steering column right here? Alright, I tapped into that red wire. I told you about. And so I'm going to pop the key in the ignition and let's see what we got. Here we go. Yeah! I can't help but smile. That is a nice sight right there. That's cool. That's cool. Now wait, we got one more thing to check out. Hold on, wait. Oh yeah! I am happy as a motherfucker right now. And you should be too.